What is going on, guys? GregglesTV. This is a review for Loot Crate. This is the March edition. Yeah, it's April, but I got the March edition and we're gonna go through it. And the month is dedicated to cosmic. So everything is cosmic, baby. And what it says on there is it says, embark on a journey through uncharted galaxies and uncover the secrets of the universe with this month's crate. Blast off on a cosmic adventure through the pop culture galaxy with this collection of exclusive gear. And we're gonna start it off with the bonus item, which is a Captain Marvel custom mini poster. So if you're into Captain Marvel, this one has it. It's a little poster. It's not that big. Obviously I said mini poster, so you could, put it up on your wall or frame it, and it's not gonna take up that much space. Next up is the Lost in Space Jupiter 2 notebook, so you can write down whatever you want. Little notes, your journey through space, whatever it may be. You get a little notebook here for Lost in Space. Again, notebook, diary, whatever you want to call it. We then have a cosmic pin that you can put anywhere. Put it on your chest, put it on your backpack, put it on your wall by taping it, whatever you want to do with it. It does come with this cool cosmic pin. Then you have the alien face hugger face towel. So when you sweat at the gym or just walking down the street, you have this alien washcloth that you can wash yourself with. Wipe your face, wipe the sweat off, and make yourself clean and dry again. Why wouldn't you want to do that with an alien? I then got a t-shirt, which kind of doesn't match it, but it says it's a mystery t-shirt, so it sounds like they just threw some t-shirts in here. And this is a Office Space t-shirt. You can see it's got TPS reports up there, or maybe you can't see. Yeah, all kinds of references to the movie. Love that movie. If you haven't seen Office Space, make sure you see it. And this t-shirt fits the bill for that movie. And then finishing it up, you get this Captain Marvel 3D standee. So it stands up wherever you want it to. It's got Captain Marvel on it, little fighter jets thing there, and Captain Marvel, and it'd be cool, give it to your kid, or just if you like to collect these things and put them in your collection to stand up, it's easily going to do that. If you guys want to sign up for Loot Crate, I've got a coupon code down below. Use that coupon code, save 10%. I also have a link on where you can sign up, and you'll start to get these either on a month-to-month basis if you want, or you can sign up for a year or 3 months, or really whatever amount that you want to, and you get all that kind of cool stuff. You get a t-shirt, like I showed you, whatever the theme of that month is, you'll get a t-shirt. You'll also get a cool little toy figurine thing. You'll get all kinds of miscellaneous items. Like this month I told you, a notebook and a washcloth and a poster and a pen. So you get all kinds of really cool stuff. If you're into superheroes and things like that, this is the perfect gift for you or for a family member. So thanks for watching. If you want to sign up, again, it's linked down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!